The Adventures of Starsky and Hutch, episode 11. This is going to be a great episode with lots of action and adventure. This is my buddy Starsky B. He's a Bengal cat. He's about 1.5 years old. I've had him for almost 6 weeks. And him and his buddy Hutch live here in my solar shed in southern Colorado. They've got a cat door to get outside and chase the mice. So this is the next morning. This is my buddy Hutch. And what I didn't know is that Starsky B never came home last night. And Starsky B, every time I look in the shed, he's typically there waiting for me to feed him. He's a hungry little guy. Hutch is about 6 months old. And he is just a ton of fun. This is during the day, so this camera is in color. This is one day after Starsky B took off. So at this point, I really didn't know that Starsky B was gone. So I put out 2 bowls of food, and Hutch is not much of an eater, but he does like the wet canned cat food that I put on top of the dry food, so he typically scarfs that down. So my sweet baby Hutch, 2 days after Starsky B took off, he caught his first mouse. He is so cute. I'm not sure if he caught that outside or if he caught that inside the solar shed. But you'll see here in a minute, that's not the only mouse. That's why I got these 2 outdoor cats, because we got so many mice down here in the San Luis Valley. See, there's another little mouse right there against the litter box. And this is a different mouse because the first one was dead. I think he put that first one in his little heated enclosure. And this little guy is still alive. You'll see here in a second. Hutch is so cute. So now Starsky B has been missing for 2.5 days. But Hutch seems completely captured by this mouse he just caught. He's just playing with it back there in his heated enclosure. And he seems to be doing just fine. He's kind of a happy-go-lucky little guy. Although when the original Starsky left, he did seem a little bit sad for about a week. And that's why I ended up getting Starsky B, because my buddy Hutch needs a little playmate. He's so full of life, and I just hated to see him laying around all day. So this episode is really fun because Hutch goes back and forth with that second mouse for hours and hours. See, this is that first chewed up mouse. I think the second mouse got away. And it kind of ruined my week that Starsky B took off because you know, when the original Starsky took off, it was it was really hard on me. So you now see that Starsky B is gone for 3 days, and my little buddy Hutch is just scarfing down the food. I don't know if he even realizes that Starsky B is gone. But now it's the evening of the 23rd, and he's been gone for 4 days. But Hutch is completely fine with that because he just found a mouse to chase. And he goes after this mouse for a while. It's so funny. I got a slow motion clip coming up here in a second. Right here. Got him. And then he gets away. He had him in his mouth. I don't know why he just didn't chomp down on him, but sometimes I think these cats like to play with their prey for a while before they put them out of their misery. They like to let them know who's boss. He's on high alert. Check him out. So you're gonna want to stick around. The end of this video is so good. A little bit of a Christmas miracle, if you will. I was nervous that the solar shed was going to be too small for these guys. But they just seem to love it. See, look at that mouse in the corner. Hutch has him in his sights. This is just so cute because Hutch is, I mean, it's not like anybody ever taught him to kill mice. He's just doing what he does. So I have given them this heated enclosure because it does get quite cold out here. And then I had to do a heated water bowl as well because the water was freezing in the evenings. So look at this. Hutch is just, he wants to watch and see what he's up to. He could pounce at any second. And this goes on for a while, but it's so fun to watch. The behavior of these animals in the wild when they don't know that they're being recorded. Yeah, I got a bone to pick with these mice because when I had my Subaru Impreza, they chewed through the wires and cost me a bunch of money. So I'm on a mission to eradicate the mice from my property. I'm just really happy that Hutch has something to keep him busy while Starsky's been missing for 4 days. The mouse is just going all over the place, but he does try to, it appears he's trying to jump out. He's like, get me out of here. To be honest, I don't know how he got in there. I do open the door once a day to feed the cats, but I can't imagine that's when he got in. See, I think this is the mouse that was laying against the litter box that Hutch pounced on a few days ago, but then let him go. So I got this new Ring camera. It's supposed to record in color at night, but I guess it only records in color when there's a little bit of ambient light. And inside this solar shed in the evening, it's just completely dark. So Hutch is in his heated enclosure just hanging out, and he hears something. So he just peeks out. If you're interested, I keep that heated enclosure. I got it from Amazon. It's got a timer on it and a temperature gauge on it. I typically turn it on for like 14 hours in the evening at 101 degrees, and that seems to be ideal for them. So he just goes after this mouse for hours at a time. I should have kept track to see how long it's been. But look at this. I don't know why he doesn't just pounce on him. And now it is the morning of December 24. Starsky B has been missing for 4.5 days. And there comes Hutch out of nowhere. I don't know where he was even hiding. He almost got him. Oh, what a cutie. He must have been hiding right beside the litter box or something. Oh man, what am I going to do with this guy? I'm glad these cats have been healthy because, to be honest, I'm not sure how I would capture them to take them to the vet. I almost never see Hutch. He's a pretty much a straight up feral cat, and he doesn't really like it when I come around. Starsky B, on the other hand, is so hungry. He kind of likes it when I come around. Look at this. What is he doing? Get him, Hutch. And why is the mouse so comfortable being so close to that cat? It must be a young mouse. I'm assuming they can see each other, you would think. So we're coming up to the point of the video where I had to look at it like 3 times. I couldn't believe my eyes. Because at this point, Starsky B has been gone for 4.5 days, and there is no water to be found out here. I mean, it's like desert. We only get 10 inches of rain per year. I'm assuming he could catch a ton of mice, but I don't know where he would get any water at all. And so Hutch hears something outside, and he is like so intrigued with this sound. He knows that something is about to happen. He's my little buddy. I wish he would warm up to me a little bit. All right, so I looked at this video and I thought, there's 2 cats in this video. And then I thought, is that one in the corner a raccoon? Because Starsky B's been gone for 4.5 days, but on the left, you can see that's clearly my Bengal cat with those beautiful markings. And he comes back, and the first thing he does, he's like, I want that mouse. Like, immediately, he's like, let's get this thing. So they tag team this mouse, and immediately the mouse is killed. After Hutch played with it for like 10 hours, Starsky B comes in and eradicates it immediately. And as you can see, he's starving. I don't know where he's been. I need to put a collar on this guy or something. But it was, I looked at that video and I thought, why are there 2 animals in the shed? I just assumed that he was gone, but look how beautiful he is with those markings. And they are back together again, Starsky and Hutch. I wonder what Hutch thinks about the whole thing. He's probably like, where you been, man? I was just so happy they got that mouse because I didn't get 2 outdoor cats so that they could befriend the mice. So then once I saw he was back, I typically don't feed them until like late afternoon. And I fed him right away, and sure enough, he was starving. Yeah, they love my little solar shed because there's all kinds of stuff to climb on. There's an attic and boxes and shelves, and Starsky B, he can pretty much jump all the way up there in one leap. Hutch is so cute. He just like re-energizes when there's another cat around because he loves the company. But now I feel secure in knowing that there will be no more mice running around my solar shed. The kill count at this point is 2. Hutch got the first one. I'm assuming that Starsky B got the second one. So I'm a happy man this Christmas morning. Anyway, that's all I've got for you today. These videos are kind of time consuming, so I've cut back just a little bit on producing the Starsky and Hutch series. But when events like this happen, I obviously have to document them. And this is my buddy Starsky B scarfing down a fresh bowl of food, my little buddy. That's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will see you next time.